This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights immediately, so open the elevated command prompt and confirm the UAC prompt. Once done, run Whoami to verify your account, system info to see OS details, and ping 8 to confirm network reachability. These first commands show you who you are, the Windows build, and whether the network works. Make sure to note any unexpected output. That guides what to try next and avoids wasted steps later. Now you'll run integrity and network repairs. First type sfc/scano and watch for repair messages because it fixes corrupted system files. If SFC reports problems it can't fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore the component store, then repeat SFC. For networking, check ipconfig/all, then use ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew, and if needed run netch winsock reset. Restart after resets to apply changes and test connectivity again. To finish, inspect recent errors with webtutil key system/c 5/f text so you understand what changed, then reboot and rerun any failing commands to confirm persistence. Make sure to copy exact error messages. Those phrases are your best lead for deeper fixes. If troubleshooting stalls or system stability is at risk, create a restore point or use system restore to revert to a known good configuration. This key recovery tip prevents further damage while you investigate why issues began.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.